Welcome to our comprehensive guide on making money online in 2025. Today, we're diving into the exciting intersection of artificial intelligence and academic writing gigs. We'll be comparing two powerful AI tools, ChatGPT and Google Gemini, and how they are shaping the future of academic writing. Let's start with ChatGPT. It excels in user-friendly interactions and generating coherent text. However, it may struggle with technical subjects and nuanced arguments. On the flip side, Google Gemini offers robust research capabilities and factual accuracy, but can sometimes lag in creativity and fluidity. When it comes to user experience, ChatGPT provides a conversational interface, while Google Gemini focuses more on data-driven outputs. With these tools, various platforms have emerged, creating fresh opportunities for freelance writers. Let's explore where you can find these gigs. Moving forward to 2025, the integration of AI in academic writing will redefine the roles of freelance writers, both challenging and empowering them. Utilizing AI, writers can tap into various monetization strategies like content subscriptions, online courses, and consulting. Here are some tips to maximize your earnings: specialize in niche topics, efficient use of AI for revisions, and network in AI writing communities. In conclusion, while both tools offer unique benefits, your choice will depend on your specific writing needs and preferences. Happy writing!